it's Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you know, Diwali is at the corner and I am just a little bit late, but we have to glam this Diwali, correct? So I'm just going to make this Diwali diaries. In that I'll just show you each and everything what we do in the Diwali, like from the jewelry to outfits to earrings to makeup, and yes, everything I'll be doing. So this is the first video of the Diwali diaries, and yes, I have done a very nice winged eyeliner with a very nice red bold lipstick. So if you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and please press the notification bell so you will always be notified when my new video comes. If you're not the person who wears very loud lipstick, then you guys can always switch to your lipstick. I have just done red because it makes me look more attractive. And yes, without blabbering much, let's get into the video. I have already prepped my skin, and for the makeup I'm just going to apply primer which is from PAC. I'm going to use this PAC primer. This is the Studio Finish Primer Oil, and this one is really very nice. I'm just going to apply. Guys, for the Diwali look we need a very nice glowing and healthy skin. I have used this oil primer. It really hydrates the skin, it blurs your pores, and it gives you a very nice finish, so the makeup glides very nicely. I'm just patting and then I'll be spreading all over my face. Also, I'm going on my neck. After this we are just going to prep once again with the primer, and for that I'm going to use Physicians Formula Illuminating Primer. So that primer gives you a very nice and healthy glow on your skin. So guys, I'm going to use this primer and I'll be taking a little bit on the back of my hand. It is just like this much, and yes, I'm just patting on my hand firstly, and then I'll be applying on my cheek, basically the high points of the face. You guys can see it has given an instant glow on my skin. Wow. And now we are moving with the concealer, guys, and for the concealer I'm going to use Elegance Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And this is the concealer. I'm just going to use this concealer to even out my skin and the under eye area. With the help of a concealer brush, I'm just going to blend everything in. Also, I'll be applying on the under eye area. Guys, I have just applied the concealer and let it set for just few minutes, so it gives a very nice coverage on the under eye area. Also, I'll be applying on the eyelid, and you guys can see the difference. So guys, I have applied the concealer and you guys can see how it is looking even, and yes, it is looking a little bit white, but yes, we can settle it down with the help of the foundation. And for the foundation I'm going to use this PAC's Liquid HD foundation. This is my go-to foundation and it is a really nice foundation. It is also budget friendly and it goes very much long. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take on the back of my hand just half of the palm. With the help of my finger, I'm just going to dot it everywhere. I'm just going to buff the foundation into my skin. Also guys, I'm just patting the foundation like this way. I'm not swiping or I'm not moving. So now guys, I have applied the foundation and I'm just going with the beauty blender all over my face. Guys, I'm just dabbing it. This beauty blender is damp, like you have to just put it in the running water and squeeze the excess water and then you can use it. And yes, I'm just going to dab all over my face. You guys can see the base is looking so nice, so flawless and glowy at the same time. And now we are just going to set the under eye area with the loose powder, and I'm going to use Bharat and Doris loose powder. It has slightly yellow tint to it, so it literally brightens and opens the under eye area. This is the loose powder and I'm just going to apply with the help of my beauty blender. And I'm just applying on my laugh line area where it tend to get more lines. Now I'm just going to apply the same beauty blender all over my face. So now with the help of a bronzer, I'm just going to warm my face. Guys, you have to drag the contour till the temple line so it merges into your hairline. I'm just applying it very lightly and you guys can see it has given a very nice warmth and shadow on my face. Same way I'll be doing on my another cheek. I'm just going in a circular motion. I'll be applying bronzer on my nose to give it a very nice and sharper look. Guys, we need a very nice pink flushy cheeks, and for that I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics blush. This one is my favorite, and with the same bronzing brush I'm just going to take the blush and apply on my apples of the cheeks. I'm just going to merge it with the bronzer so it looks one and natural. Also, I'll be applying on my nose so it gives a very nice natural look. So guys, we are moving with the eyes, and for the eyes I have done my brows and I have kept it ready. So now we are moving with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use a matte eyeshadow just to even my eyelid area because we have applied the concealer and we have not set the concealer. So I'm just applying the beige eyeshadow. It is a cream eyeshadow, and also I'll be applying on the another eye. So as this look is all about a wing liner and red lips, I'm just going to keep the eye very neutral, very simple and very natural. So for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to take the very light pink eyeshadow. I'm just lightly applying on the center of the lid and all over my eye, just to give it a very natural look. And I'm just blending it from the outer corner of my eye and just getting into the inner corner. Just putting the eyeshadow, and yes, doing same way on my another eye. Guys, very lightly I'm just going with the darker pink shade, like darker mauve shade, and I'm just going to apply on the outer corner, that's it, to give a very light depth on the outer V. And yeah, that's it. Same way I'll be doing on my another eye. I'm just applying very lightly. Again I'm applying the pink eyeshadow, the lightest pink, and I'm just applying on the inner corner. Also I'll be applying the same color which we have applied on the lid. We are just going to apply on the lower lash line. Same way. You can see it is looking so nice, so soft and so natural. So guys, as the look is whole concentrated on the eyeliner, going to make it more dramatic, we're just going to apply a sketch liner, and I'm using Blue Heaven sketch liner. This one is really very nice. It is inexpensive and the tip is really good. So I'll be making a wing. We are just going to do the same way on my another eye. So guys, you guys can see the wing liner is done properly and it is on point and it is looking so nice, so dramatic. So now we are moving on the lower waterline. So yes, I'm just going to dust it off the baking which we have applied. And guys, so we have applied liner on the upper lash line and it is looking so dramatic and so pretty. So now we are going to complete the eye look applying the kajal, and I'm just going to use this K Beauty's kajal in the shade Spade, and I'm just going to apply on the waterline. Also guys, we'll be applying mascara on the lashes. So as it is Diwali, we are just not going to make it more dramatic and more heavy, but we are going to apply mascara. So you guys can see it has instantly given volume to the lashes and it has lifted very nicely. Guys, I don't prefer applying fake eyelashes as it is really very practical that we step out of the house. If we are going meeting to the relatives, to the friends, we are just not going to make it over dramatic. So I am keeping it simple, natural. And yes, the eyes is totally done, and now we are moving on the lips. So for the lips, I am going to use the best red lipstick. I'm going to use this very tiny mini lipstick from Sephora, and yes, I'll be applying on my lips. Guys, so I have applied lipstick and I just need to admit that this lipstick is so comfortable, yet it is matte, but it is so comfortable, like it doesn't chap at all. This is so comfortable. I think I should try more Sephora's lipstick, and I just love the lipstick. I'll just wear the jewelry, the earrings, and I'll just do my hair and I'll be right back. So yes guys, this is the final look. hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. This is really very nice. It looks amazing. Yes, I wish you a very happy Diwali. Stay home, stay safe, and if you're going out, then please take care of all the precautions and then step out of the house. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you.